Homeschooling is an educational method that makes use of the home as the primary educational base for children. The system involves children being taught, or educated at home, rather than at an institution such as public or private schools. In the past, most children were taught their ABCs at home, in the absence of adequate schools in some areas. But with the advent of compulsory school attendance in the 19th century, education worldwide is earned through the traditional school approach. Is homeschooling effective? Most people tend to believe so. Many experts think that homeschooling can be an effective learning tool because it practices a more personalized form of education. In homeschooling, it is usually the parents' responsibility to teach the kids their lesson. And this type of learning environment has helped many children absorb more of what they are being taught. The great results have substantiated proof. Some homeschool statistics show that a number of homeschool students scored as many as 30 percentile points higher than national public school averages. Some experts don't even see statistical differences in terms of academic achievement between homeschool students taught by parents with less formal education, and those students being taught by parents that have acquired higher formal education. There are other positive homeschooling statistics available that will help prove that such a method of educating children is just as effective. The National Home Education Research Institute conducted an extensive survey of over 7,300 homeschooled adults in the U.S., with over 5,000 of them being part of the survey for over 7 years. The findings of the said survey indicated that more homeschooled adults are more active and involved in their respective communities. Most of them are also more likely to get involved in civic affairs and have higher voting population percentages than their counterparts. In terms of outlook, almost 3/4 of homeschooled adults feel more positive and find life exciting, as compared to less than half for the general population. Half of the homeschooled adults report that they are very happy with their lives. These statistics have shown that homeschooling can have a great effect on how a child will learn. Home education can be just as effective and efficient as having your children taught in traditional institutions. Homeschooling just carries a big advantage over these educational institutions in the sense that this method can make parents and their kids find time together. If you are looking forward to getting closer with your own kids, and more active when it comes to their schooling, then home education for your kids should be considered. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Please stop by our site for more homeschooling info. If you are interested in a Christian, self-paced, online homeschooling course with customizable curriculum, just follow the link in the description.